Hello,
Have you ever
everyone.
stepped on a
Thank you for
scale
joining me
and
today.
wondered
In
why the
today's
number
fast-paced
changes
world,
depending on where
adaptability
you
is
are in the
crucial.
world? It
We
sounds
must
like
embrace
science fiction,
innovation to
but
drive
you
success.
actually weigh less at the equator than you do at the North Pole. Understanding the weight
In a
formula
city
is the
like
key
this,
to uncovering this
anything feels
mystery.
possible.
In physics,
The
weight
secret is
isn't just a
believing in
number in
yourself.
kilograms, it is a
Take one
force.
small step
To
every
find it,
day.
you
E
use a
equals
simple but
mc squared.
powerful
The
equation.
M represents
Weight
mass,
equals
which we
mass
underline
times
here,
the
and C
acceleration
is the
due to
speed.
gravity.
Mass is the amount of
While we
matter in
use
an
kilograms
object.
for
A
mass,
scale
weight
measures
is
mass
measured
in
in newtons.
kilograms.
On
Weight is
Earth,
the force of
gravity is
gravity on
generally a
mass.
constant,
A spring scale
9.8
measures
meters per second squared. So if you have a mass of 70 kilograms, your actual weight is about 686 newtons. But here is the twist. Gravity isn't the same everywhere. If you traveled to the moon,
This
your
chart
mass,
compares
the
surface
amount of
gravity
matter in your
major
body,
moons.
would stay
Io,
exactly
the
the
most
same.
volcanic body,
But
is
because the moon's
18.3%
gravity is
of Earth's.
much
Our
weaker,
moon at
you would weigh
16.5
only about
moons have less.
16% of what you do on Earth. Even on our own planet, factors like altitude and the Earth's rotation can shift your weight. For example, high-precision scales used in international trade must be calibrated for their specific location. A ton of gold weighed at the equator would appear 5 kilograms heavier if moved to the North Pole. This is why scientists and engineers
Look
are
at the
so
size
careful
of
with
that
these
ship.
units. Whether you are weighing
Those
a bag of
containers must
coffee
hold
or a
so
massive
much
cargo ship,
cargo.
always remember
It's
to convert your
incredible how
mass
they
to
load all the
kilograms
choices
first,
you make
then
today.
multiply by the local gravity.
Don't wait for
Mass
the
is what
perfect
you
moment.
are, but weight
Take
is
the
how
first
hard
step
the
now.
Welcome to
planet
this
is pulling on you.
presentation on modern living.
Mastering this distinction is the
I'm
first
excited
step
to
toward
share some
understanding how
insights
the
with you
physical
today.
world truly moves.